Best of luck. There's always time for a bit of dancing, isn't there?
No, I said there was no time to. There's no time to shock
Phil's got
me.
the best dance in the world. Just do a little.
My dad does. I was just dancing. And then you go. Yeah, see? Dancing along to the carol.
It's so cute.
There really is only one person who can show us how to decorate our homes in style this Christmas, apparently, and that is interior designer Lawrence Llewellyn-Bowen. Thank you, Lawrence.
I need somewhere to put up my cards because I put them on the mantelpiece and the cat walks along and goes donk, 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 knocks them all off.
We've got string up, because we've got an old beam. We've got string up around that, and because it's dark, you can't see it, so we leave it up all year.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah, all the time. So just walk in, that's it, cards up.
Every year.
Cards down, leave the string.
Oh,
yeah.
Lucky you. Right, well, it's competition time now and your chance to be £100,000 richer. Here's Pete Andre.
Lucky me.